Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This quick tip is on transitions and what you can do to have more successful transitions from point A to B with your child. This is one video in a video series, so please look through the playlist to see what makes the most sense. So one easy and fun way to help facilitate smoother transitions is to incorporate some type of a movement game while you're going from point A to B. One really easy one that is incredibly easy to make portable is to buy a little bottle of bubbles, and when it's time to leave a store, to leave your house, to get out of the car, whatever the transition might be, what you want to do is ask your child to pop the bubbles on their way. So you blow some bubbles as you're moving through space, going from point A to B, and have your child try to pop them, stomp on them. The idea is that you are providing a distracting and fun stimulus to help your child move, and they have a task to actually do within the movement. So this is a really fun one, and a lot of kids like it. Another idea is to do some kind of a bunny hop. If, of course, this is something that looks appropriate, maybe you're leaving a park or something like that, and this would be dependent on the age of the child. So this is a great trick for younger children. The movement idea is a lot of fun. So you're just doing something fun and spontaneous, something your child enjoys, that might involve some movement to help them to ease that transition. Again, look through the playlist and see what makes the most sense, as there will be numerous tips on this topic. Thank you.